Good afternoon, my name is Eberhard Enzo Moreno Augusto. This is video from course Valorización y Negociación de Tecnología. United to Stage Identify y Technology Value. Cause and effects brainstorm of lay of information on the market and commercialization channels. Brainstorm lack of information on the market and commercialization channels in the company of Colombia. Important cause: lack of market research, identification in the most optimal marketing channel, lack of implementation of state-of-the-art technology in marketing channels. Direct consequence: ignorance of the country potential market, poor product marketing process in the country are not optimized, improving in the resource of the technology on the technological identification. Recommendation: it is recommended to carry out an extensive market study, identifying the competition and the fluctuation of the country's economy, implemented advanced technologies in the commercialization at the national level, have a good distribution logistics scheme at the country level. Thank you very much.